Good afternoon. It is January the 6th, 2017. Time to kick off another end of the week, kick off the start of a weekend. We've had a pretty good trading week this week so far. We won't have full markets until after Martin Luther King's birthday, and probably not until after the Trump's inauguration. We start off with our customary AM PM disclaimer up there. Trading futures carries risks. Leverage can work both for you and against you. Simulated trading programs are lacking. They're not the same as actual results. No representation is made to the fact that you will achieve the results that we get. On to bigger and better things. We came in this morning, basically we had support at 55 to 60. Buy one was 60 plus or minus. Buy two was 55 to 57. The low was 58. The easiest trade, starting off, we were selling 65, 67. This was sell one. Then 69 to 71 for sell two. The market was pointed up all day long, so good trade off the opening. A nice winning trade here. Small winner here. Took this trade in the room. Nice winner. This B right here, if you got out on the 3-bar rule, was a scratch. If not, it was a loser. And these B's and those B's all produced winners. This S, this retest failure, was a small winner. Nancy's tweezers, small winner. Retest failure, and it looks like we're going to close the market in the 22.75. We've made new contract highs here. The Dow is trading at 119.903 as I speak, so we don't see 20,000 left there. So pretty good trading day, all things considered. Looking at the F1 screen on the E-mini, show higher lows and higher highs. Find a place to buy it on Monday. Looking at the F2 screen, it will confirm. And this failure, sell failure to take out and hold 76, 78. I think if we get through that, we'll be looking at selling 83s, 85s for sell 2. On the buy side, the breakout came from 67, 68. Last rotate down was 73, so 70, 72 buy 1. And 65, 67 buy 2. The news on Monday will be labor market conditions index. It has no impact on the trading whatsoever. Treasuries got hit pretty hard today. The selling resumes off of what were pretty good numbers this morning. The selling was blamed on increase in wages and November upward revisions to the November employment numbers. So we do have a higher low and a higher high. If we can't break support early on Monday, the market can trade higher. Next week is an auction week. And looking at the F2 screen, you can see the impact of that selling. So got the low volume number at 24.09. We got the day session high at 10. Like we're trading lower, so 24.05, 24.09 buy 1. 29 even, 24.01 buy 2. On the sell side, 15 to 19 sell 1. 23 to 27 sell 2. Similar pattern on the 30-year. Looking for a place to sell it. Last rotate up stopped at 29. We're at 24, so 28 to the buck is number 1. 3 to 7, sell 1. 11 to 15, sell 2. On the support side, 16 to 20 is number 1. 9 to 13, buy 1. 29 to 01, buy 2. Gold was off a bit today. Inside day favors a trading range. Gold is being supported by inflation now, in addition to risk-off investing. Definitely B, definitely headed lower. So this area down here, that 60, 65 area looks like where the trading target is. So we'll make 65, 67 by 1. 60, 62 by 2. On the sell side, 74, 76, sell 1. 78 to 80, sell 2. Crude was all over today, across the trading range a couple of times. Higher low, higher high, we can trade higher. I think the market is trying to trade higher. Even the bad news articles that come out don't impact it by much. So we talked about this saddled formation. 55 is probably best resistance and pretty good support down at 52.50. Crude normally trades in a $2 to $3 range, so that fits. Right now, we're rejecting prices above 54. So 54 even, 54 and a quarter, sell 1. I think we break through 54 and a quarter, we're going higher, so we'll make 54.75, 55, sell 2. On the buy side, 53 and a quarter, 53.50, that's where support is. And 52.75, 53 even, buy 2. Chinese yuan gave it up. Dollar was strong again against the yen and the euro and the yuan, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Higher low, higher high, but it definitely pointed lower right now. And if we look at the F2 screen, definitely a B. Last rotate up stopped at 81, so 105.75, sell 1. 106, sell 2. 105.50, buy 1. 105 and a quarter, buy 2. And that's it for this January 6th, 2017. I will see you bright and early morning. Hopefully, I'll be back to normal. Got rid of this cold. It is a doozy. Looking for a lot of couch time this weekend, sleeping in a little bit. Y'all have a great weekend. I'll see you bright and early Monday morning.